Imagine a world of rapid-fire data exchange, where your mobile device operates at lightning speed. Welcome to the cutting-edge realm of 5G. This latest evolution in mobile network technology offers faster speeds, lower latency, and greater connectivity than ever before. But how? Through a cocktail of advanced radio frequencies, groundbreaking spectrum bands, small cells, massive MIMO, and network slicing. 5G isn't just about speed, it's about transforming industries. From enhanced mobile broadband to ultra-reliable low-latency communications and massive machine-type communications, the potential is limitless. But like any revolution, challenges await. Spectrum availability, infrastructure deployment, security, and privacy are all hurdles to overcome. And overcoming them requires a united front, a collaboration among network operators, device manufacturers, service providers, regulators, researchers, and users. Welcome to the future, welcome to 5G.